let's quickly move on to the next one. This is from I'll get the gold. I have ordered the gold template 1 HDMI cable. Let's quickly see that it says gold one or not. 2.1 gold templated one. Seems to be in very nice quality. The braided cable are pretty heavy and solid build. The finishing is also fine. It's proper plastic, good material. I'll show the length. For that I have ordered for, I got that around, it's written for like, do I have the invoice? Yes, I have that. I got that at 203, 200 bucks. I got that. The packaging seems to be very fine. And let's quickly open it. Okay, nice and easy. And these it's not braided one, but it seems to be a good quality. Around 4-meter cable and seems to be work fine for me. I have ordered this one previously and it was lost. Lost it, but yes, that was also fine and I have ordered it again. Let's see. I hope that would be good enough for me also this time. And that's all from this video. Hope you guys like it. Do like and subscribe for this kind of stuff. If you wanted to get notified for that, do click the bell icon button and please do subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.